It's Gidra. Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. So check this out. Ta-da! I even have some Spanish music on. I'm gonna make some chicken tacos. And the secret of my chicken tacos, maybe it's not a secret anymore since I'm gonna be telling you all of that. I make them in about 5 minutes, and I'm using Costco's rotisserie chicken. That's my favorite out of the favorite foods in Costco. It's so delicious once you just bring it home. It's warm, it's hot, it's juicy, it's just, oh my gosh, want to indulge it all. But I can't eat it all right away, right? So there is a lot of leftovers. And what I do chicken tacos. That takes no time. It's very nutritious, very delicious, and I'll show you how I'm doing it, okay? So I have everything ready. My chicken, my tortillas. Actually, I'm gonna place my tortillas in a pan already. I'll turn the light shortly. Let me just dice up some chicken. I'll wash my hands. My salad is pre-washed already, so I don't need to wash that. I'm just gonna cut some chicken, and I'm gonna use some taco seasoning, and I'm sure everyone has some taco seasoning here. I'm gonna make 3 tacos for now, just me. So I'm dicing the chicken, small pieces. Oh my God, I'm salivating already just from that alone. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm using Costco chicken. I'm using some lettuce, and you know, some people don't like flour tortillas. I know, well, everyone likes them. Others like corn tortillas. However, I'm using my lettuce actually as a tortilla. So I'm making some of them like a, lettuce taco. So that is my secret. That is no secret anymore. Where's my towel? Need the Spanish music. Okay, dog. So what we're gonna do, I'm turning you calm with me. Come on. Okay, starting with tortillas, right? And now, how much can you see? I don't know if I turn. Oh, the Spanish music, whatever that is, Ta-da! Some oil, olive oil. Now, my chicken pollo, I think that's the name for it in Spanish, right? We're gonna brown that a little bit. Oh gosh, I need some better music, but can't have it all, I guess. All right. Taco seasoning. Oh, let me just think. Matador. Okay, taco seasoning goes on. And it's up to your taste, how much you want. I don't want too much. And you can use your corn tortillas. You can use the hard shell, soft shell. It's just what goes in the middle, right? And I told you it's 5 minutes. So, I think the music sounds better in my head than what I'm playing. And let's flip these guys, right? And then, while this is cooking, come with me to my other table. I thought I had a cloth already. Ta-da! Okay, I'll make some, you know what? We'll do this. Okay, good. I have this. Yeah, that's for my other tacos. So, much better. Or you can use romaine lettuce too. So whatever you like, my beautiful friends. Okay, so that was the chicken. Let's do some dicing. I'm gonna stir Stir, stir, stir. My pollo. Gonna flip my tortillas again. Gonna dice. Where's my knife? Oh, it smells good. Smells good. Look at my. Where's the knife? There you are. You can tell, right? Not keen on knives here. I'll need some lemon. I'm gonna dice some cilantro. I'm just gonna dice the lettuce here. We'll need some avocado. Again, avocados. Really small. Da, 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 da. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay, guys. Oh, that happens. You know, it's hilarious. You know why it's hilarious? So I didn't want to turn the fan on because it's loud and probably it's louder than my voice. So that's what I got. I got fire alarm. There is no fire. No fire. Look at the tortillas. Perfect. My goodness. All right. Chicken is ready. I guess the alarm gave out. Oh, so now not enough. Oh, Jesus. Well, you know, since I won, no, we'll do this right. Why not? Oh, yeah. All these technical difficulties. So we got this. We got this, guys. It's all good. No worries. I think my smoke alarm will go off. How is it? Can you hear me? Can you hear the words coming out of my mouth? Okay. Ta-da. I'm here. I'm here. I'm right here. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna break something. It's not really, I don't know. No, my smoke alarm is so sensitive for some reason. There's no smoke here. But I guess. Ta-da! Just needs a little warm up. Okay. Come. All right. Everyone is happy here. You see, enough chicken for everybody. Okie dokie. So, cheese preference. I use mozzarella. Again, I use it everywhere. But if you'd like something else, you can get something else, right? It's just what I'm doing. Substitution is the key. Okay. Cilantro will go on top. Wow, we have some black beans. I don't know how beans are in Spanish, so forgive me. You should, right? If it's the Spanish theme, you should get the Spanish everything. And again, if you don't want beans, no beans. Anything you like. It's your world, right? So, I said a little onion too. A little onion will help. Okay, my goodness. I hope I'll do good onion dicing. I prefer red onion. It's nice and sweet and juicy. Okay. So, we have some lettuce tacos. We have some regular tacos. We'll get some lettuce on top. That doesn't even need. get you going. This way. Mm-hmm. Okay, this looks pretty. Now, you know what? Let's do the sour cream first. So, turn this off. I like sour cream. I don't mind it. Anything goes. I mean, it's live a little, right? Or a lot. That's what I'm doing. Okie dokie. Next. Avocado. Well, that I use a lot. I love avocado. So we'll get a lot of that. Can't waste food, right? And use your fingers. You know what? I love eating with fingers and I love cooking and using my hands. And what I think, I'm just transforming all my good energy. Yum. Oh my gosh. You see? Oh, beautiful. Okay. I'm making a little mess here, but I'm not upset about it. I'm the one who cleans up anyway, so who cares? All right. Okay. Little lemon juice goes well, and cilantro. Oh, always lots of it too. Wow, I mean, it looks like a forest here. Can't even see. So what? I know it's all good. Well, we survived. Look at that. The lettuce ones and the regular ones. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. Well, it's a Taco Tuesday. Enjoy. Let me know how it tasted. Let me know how it turned out, and hopefully you don't have a smoke alarm going off or any fire and fire trucks coming over. So happy Tuesday. Guys, I keep forgetting. If you like my videos, hit like, subscribe, share, hit the little bells there. Just help me out and we'll help each other out, okay? Well, enjoy, be happy, eat, indulge, okay? Bye. Love you.